guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to appeal TikTok community guidelines violation. If you really believe that your TikTok account was unfairly penalized for violating community guidelines, you can appeal the decision. Here's how you can appeal a TikTok community guideline violation. First is understand the violation. Before appealing, make sure you understand why your content was flagged. Review TikTok's community guideline to see which rule you might have violated. Access the appeal process. If you have received a notification about the violation, there should be an option to appeal the decision. Click on the notification, or you can simply go to your account settings to find the appeal option. After, go to the TikTok. On the bottom right corner, there's your profile icon. Select that. After that, on the top right corner, there's a three-line icon. Select there and go to the settings and privacy on the bottom. Over here, what you have to do is scroll a bit down until you find the report a problem option. Select there. And scroll a bit down, and on the bottom there's a report option. Tap on the report again and tap on the chat with us option. And make sure you write a clear and concise appeal explaining why you believe that your content does not violate TikTok's guideline, include any relevant information or context that supports your appeal, and wait for a response after submitting your appeal. TikTok will review your case. This process may take some time, so be patient and check your notifications or email for updates. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.